How to create UX design portfolio website. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I am going to show you how you can create your own UX design portfolio website in this year very easily by following this tutorial. So let's get started. Today I am going to be using squarespace.com to create my portfolio website. So let's get started with the process. It's super easy to do. What you have to do is you will simply come to squarespace.com. If you have not signed up for Squarespace, it's really easy to do. All you have to do is you simply sign up with your Google account or your email. If you have a Squarespace, then you will simply log into your Squarespace and then you will simply land on your dashboard right here. So we are going to be creating our portfolio with Squarespace. Squarespace allows you to create these amazing portfolios, online stores, and professional websites. So to do that, what you have to do is you will simply click on create website option, or if you are creating your Squarespace for the first time, then you will simply land on the templates and you will not have to click on create website. But that's how it starts. So this is where you will land, and what you have to do is you will simply select any template from here. So today I am going to show you how you can create your UX design portfolio website. So what you have to do is you will find all of these templates on Squarespace. Working with a template is really easy because then we kind of like get access to all the tools and we have an idea how to follow and create a professional website. If you're thinking that you will be creating a website from a template, so does that mean that every website will look the same? But that's not the truth, because what happens is we customize these templates the way we want to, and you can customize everything and it will look super unique and super amazing. So what I am going to do is, because we're creating a portfolio website, so I'm going to filter my template search from portfolio, and in portfolio I'm going with art and design, and it is going to be our portfolio website. So you can see right here that we have all of these different portfolio websites template that we can actually choose from. That was super easy. You can also go with another template you want to go for, and you can just add your images and text and everything, and that will look pretty amazing. So you can see right here that we have these templates. What template I should go for? So I'm gonna go with this template right here. Simply click on start with the template and you will be able to edit your website within Squarespace, and we will be able to create our own portfolio website with Squarespace for free. So you can see right here that now my template has been loaded. So let me show you how the editor of Squarespace works, so you have an idea that when you will be creating a website, so you will know about all the tools, because I might not be getting into every one of them, but I want to show you an overview. So you can see right here, this is the pages option. In pages we add different pages. So right now my portfolio website has 3 pages. I have a lookbook, I have a blog, and a contact page. So if I want to create a new page, then I will simply click on this plus icon, and now I have all of these different options to add. Like I can add a blank page, I can add page layouts, I can add a scheduling page from here. Then we have a blog, I have store, portfolio, event, video, folders, and link. So I can create a blog or a portfolio page right here. So for now I think I'm not gonna add any page, so I will simply go back. Then we have the design option. In design we get a lot of different options to choose from. Design simply means the layout of our website, the themes, the browser icon, the lock screen, checkout page, everything. You can kind of like come here and change the style of your website. Then we have marketing, scheduling, analytics, profile, settings, and help. So these are the different options. Then how to edit a website. So this is the template right here and it looks pretty impressive. How to edit it, how I will edit everything out. Simply click on this edit option right here and it will allow you to edit all the different sections of your website. So this is the header. I will simply click on edit site header and I will be able to edit the header. So I have title and logos. So I kind of like, when you create the website, you have to add the name for your website. This is going to be the title for your website. So what I am going to do is I'm going to name it the social guide. I know it's a portfolio website, but I'm just going with any text. So that is why I'm gonna just add the name of the channel, which is going to be the social guide. Now, if I want to edit the style, elements, everything, I can just go ahead and do that as well. So for now, I think the text looks pretty amazing, and the header is actually pretty impressive because we're getting the menu and everything. But if you want to edit the header, you will simply click on edit and you will be able to do so. Then we have this text right here, so I can edit the text. Of course, for now, let's just change the name. So it says my name is Florison Hart or something. I don't know what the name said. I just erased it and I forgot what was written here. I don't know that happens with you, but that happens with me all the time. So let's go with any name. I'm gonna go with Sarah, and let's go with Heart because I think there was a heart here. So that looks pretty good. So I'm the co-founder and creative director. So I'm just not gonna edit this text right here. So if you want to change the background, now this is like a complete blank background right here. Simply click on edit right here, and then you will be able to change the background from here. You can see I can add an image in the background. That I am going to do because that will look pretty good. I can add my image in the background and that will look pretty impressive because the text will be overlaid on the image and it will look really cool. Then we have video and then we have art. If I want to add, I can simply go with colors as well. Right now it is colored black, so you can see right here it's pretty dark, and I can just simply go with the light shade as well. But if you like dark like me, then you can also go with a dark theme. That will look actually pretty amazing. Now the next thing is going to be this image right here. How to edit an image, how to add a section. That is really important. Let's just say I want to add a section between this text and this block right here. So what I'm going to do is click on add section. Let me show you what are different sections that we get on Squarespace. So you can see right here we can add anything into our website, into our portfolio. You can see right here we have headlines, list, calories, images, quotes, text, videos, donation form, newsletter, product, socials, calendars, chart, location, logo wall, menu, music, people, and pricing. So this is pretty impressive. For now, let's just say that I want to add a list or maybe a text to my portfolio website. So I will simply click on text, and then now I can select from any of the text in here. Let's go with this text right here. Simply click on this text. This is the layout of the text. And then of course, I will simply click right here and then I will be able to edit the text right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and just add the name of the channel right here. Now again, I can edit this text right here. How to edit an image, because I want to add my image right here. Simply click on image and then you will find this option right here, which is a pencil, which is the edit option. Click right here, and now I can replace the image and I will be able to upload the image from my computer, of course, or you can actually select from a library if you want to, because you get a lot of different photos on your Squarespace. So that is how I will simply edit different things. I will edit my text, I will edit the image, I will edit the footer as well. Simply scroll down and you can see right here there is no footer on this page right here. This is the footer. I don't like the footer. Simply click on edit footer, delete this one, remove, click on add section, and these are the different footer options. So I think I'm gonna go with this one. This one looks good. So now my footer will be changed and this is my footer now. That was super easy. That's how you can simply go ahead and edit anything you want to into your portfolio website. You will add everything. It depends on you because you are the one creating the website. I wanted to show you an overview about the platform, how you will actually do it. Once your website is done, you will simply click on done and save. If you want to publish it, you can go ahead and publish it right now, or you can schedule it for later. But that is how you can create a professional portfolio website with Squarespace. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you and now you know how to create a UX design portfolio website. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.